Imagine walking into a cosmic bar and ordering a drink that smells like the Milky Way. What would that be? A glass of rum with a hint of raspberry, perhaps? It's a surprising fact, isn't it? In 2009, astronomers detected a molecule called Ethyl Formate in a giant dust cloud near the Milky Way's center. This molecule is known to contribute to the taste and aroma of raspberries and rum. But don't get too excited. The statement is not literal, but figurative. It's a playful way to make the vast and complex reality of interstellar chemistry more accessible. The void of space doesn't have a smell in the human sense. We wouldn't be able to experience these scents even if present due to the lack of air and appropriate sensory organs. So no, you can't actually sniff the Milky Way, but isn't it fun to imagine? Now, let's dive into the science behind this intriguing statement. It all revolves around a molecule called ethyl formate. Ethyl formate is a simple ester, a class of chemical compounds that are often responsible for the flavors and smells of many fruits and beverages. It's the very compound that gives raspberries their distinctive taste and aroma. It also contributes to the unique flavor of rum. So, when you savor a raspberry or enjoy a sip of rum, you're experiencing the delight of ethyl formate. But here's where things get truly cosmic. In 2009, astronomers detected this same molecule, ethyl formate, in a giant dust cloud near the center of our Milky Way. Now imagine that. A molecule that flavors our food is also floating around in the vastness of space. This dust cloud is a bit like a cosmic cocktail, holding a variety of molecules, each with its own unique properties. However, ethyl formate isn't the only molecule in there. The cloud is filled with a myriad of other molecules, each contributing to the complex chemistry of interstellar space. But before you start picturing a fragrant galaxy, let's clear up a common misconception. Space, as we know it, doesn't have a smell in the human sense. The environment out there is incredibly harsh. It's a near vacuum with no air to carry scents. And even if there were, we wouldn't be able to experience these scents without the appropriate sensory organs. So, while it's a fun idea to think of the Milky Way as a celestial raspberry rum cocktail, the reality is a bit more complicated. It's not about how space smells, but rather it's about the fascinating chemistry that happens out there. So, while we can't exactly take a whiff of space, we can appreciate the fascinating chemistry that takes place in our galaxy. So why do we talk about the Milky Way smelling like rum and raspberries? It's all about sparking curiosity. This intriguing statement originates from Dr. Gillian Scudder's book, The Milky Way Smells of Rum and Raspberries and Other Amazing Cosmic Facts. Dr. Scudder uses humor and quirky facts to make astrophysics more approachable for a wider audience. It's a testament to the power of imagination in science. By painting a picture of the universe as a cosmic cocktail, she encourages us to question, to wonder, to dream. The universe becomes not just a cold, distant space, but a place filled with the familiar aroma of raspberries and rum. It's a reminder that science isn't just about hard facts and numbers. It's about exploration, discovery, and most importantly, our human capacity to wonder. Science needs our curiosity, our questions, our imagination. Even if we can't literally smell the stars, we can use our minds to explore the universe in all its wonder. To wrap things up, remember that the Milky Way isn't a giant cosmic cocktail, but it does have its own unique chemistry. Our galaxy is a swirling blend of stars, dust, and a myriad of fascinating molecules like ethyl formate. Discovered in a massive dust cloud near the Milky Way's heart in 2009, this molecule adds a dash of flavor to our understanding of the cosmos, contributing to the taste and aroma of raspberries and rum. Yet, it's important to remember that space, in its vast, airless expanse, doesn't carry a smell in the human sense. But this doesn't make the universe any less enchanting or intriguing. Instead, it opens up new ways for us to perceive and appreciate its wonders. The statement about the Milky Way's scent is more of a figurative invitation, encouraging us to engage playfully with scientific discoveries. So, the next time you sip rum or taste a raspberry, remember you're getting a tiny, aromatic glimpse of the cosmos.